Hello friends, welcome into the Guess the Remedy answer. So we saw a case of fever, COVID-19 infection. Patient is having fever with headache, right? And episodes of suffocation and anxiety. Okay. So how to analyze this case? Okay. So when we see this case, in this case we have fever, headache with fever, and in that anxiety episode, what she said, I am having lot of chilliness, with that I am having perspiration. Okay, so chilliness is there, and with that we have perspiration, right? Then we have symptoms like anxiety is there, restlessness is there, uneasy feeling is there, with that she has nausea. Okay, so lot of concomitant symptoms we can see in this case. Okay, so which are not directly related symptoms. And what is the other thing we can see, the characteristic we can see is the contradictory symptoms. Okay, so what contradictory symptoms we can see in this case? So she feels chilly, her body is cold, yet she wants AC on, yet she wants air, she wanted to become cold, right? So chilliness, still she wants air or cold room is concomitant, is contradictory symptom, right? Chilliness with perspiration and specific on the face and scalp is a characteristic concomitant. So we are getting these kind of symptoms, and physical generals also characteristic in this case, right? So if you see at the particular level, you will not, we are not getting very characteristic symptom, right? Headache is there, which is ameliorated by pressure, so is not very characteristic symptom we are getting. Okay, so if we see in this case, concomitants are characteristic, right? So in the last video also, last video of COVID case we saw, so there was also concomitant, and whenever there is a concomitant is there, or whenever there is a characteristic in fever or in chill stage you are getting, as we have already discussed in last video, we should definitely go for Boning Hussein's repertory, right? Because Boning Hussein has given very beautifully in his repertory called Boger Boning Hussein's characteristic repertory, or BBCR. So in that cold chapter, if you go, so you will able to see, if you go to the cold chapter or chill chapter of the Boning Hussein's repertory, you will get the symptoms cold, concomitant. So in cold you go to the concomitant, in concomitant you go to the face, and in that face you can see the sweat. Okay, in concomitant you go to the external head, in external head you go further subrubric, you will get sweat. So the symptom is like that, chilliness or coldness having concomitant of sweating on face, or chilliness or coldness having concomitant of sweating on head, external head or scalp. So these are the exact concomitant symptom we are getting in Boning Hussein repertory. Okay, so I took these two rubrics. Then generalities, air desire, as she described, that I took that rubric also. Then is aggravation in warm room, right? When she said the room got heated because of no air, no electricity, she started feeling suffocation and she wanted air. So aggravation from warm room on generalities. So I took these four rubrics from Boning Hussein's repertory. Okay, so then we saw there is a contradictory symptom, right? Being chilly, she wanted AC on, right? So very characteristic symptom. So contradictory symptom we are saying. So contradictory symptom I took from complete repertory. Okay, so the symptom is contradictory and alternating states, you can get in generalities chapter. And the stomach, nausea is there with anxiety. So nausea from emotional excitement, that's rubric I took from complete repertory. So when I put all these rubrics in the repertory, so guess what, pulsatilla is the only remedy covering all these rubrics. Okay, so after that natriumur, calcarea, bryonia, rustox, they are coming, but all symptom covering medicine is only pulsatilla. And we know about pulsatilla. Pulsatilla is known for desire for open air, known for contradictory states. So here there is air hunger, we can see. So there are a lot many medicines like lacasis, carbovage, kali carb for open air. In carbons we always see, or nitrogen also there, uh, for desire for open space. But especially for air, how will you differentiate the calcarea, the carbovage, lacasis and pulsatilla? So pulsatilla wants continuous air, pulsatilla wants open air, right? Not like carbovage direct air, or not like the lacasis slow air. Lacasis wants air but slowly and from uh, distance, right? So, and that is the thing about open air. And if you see the repertization, all the concomitants are covered by pulsatilla. Okay. So I prescribed and yes, and the lacrimation with headache, that concomitant also covered by pulsatilla. So I prescribed pulsatilla in 1 m potency. So 1 m 6 hourly I started initially, and for 3 days, and then reduced to TDS and BD. So within 1 week she was completely okay and out of her state, and she improved only with homeopathic medicine, with help of supplementary medicine like multivitamin and vitamin C. Okay, so this is the beauty of homeopathy. This is the beauty of concomitant symptom and Bowning-Hussein's repertory. So I hope you will also apply Bowning-Hussein's repertory in your fever cases. Okay, thank you.